Hi, this is the V50 hydraulic baler. This is our beast of a machine. This will take up to 50 ton of pressure, and it's going to take all of this cardboard here and turn it into one compact 400 kilo bale.